In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the GetResponse affiliate program. This is perfect for those interested in earning commissions by promoting a well-regarded email marketing platform. Let me walk you through each step so you can get started seamlessly. First, you need to visit the official GetResponse affiliate program page. This is where your journey begins. Open your web browser and type in GetResponse affiliate program, or follow a direct link if you have it. Once there, you should see a well laid out page detailing the benefits and highlights of becoming an affiliate. This serves as your gateway to the program, and it's here you'll find the Sign Up Now button, your next step. Clicking this button will commence your application process. Next, you'll be redirected to PartnerStack. PartnerStack is the platform that GetResponse uses to facilitate their affiliate applications, manage tracking, and process payments. Think of it as the operational heart of your affiliate venture, handling all the back-end tasks so you can focus on promoting and earning. If you don't already have a PartnerStack account, this is where you'll create one. Follow the prompts to register by entering your details and setting up a secure account. This step is crucial because it not only links you to GetResponse, but also allows you to manage multiple affiliate programs under one roof. If you happen to have an existing PartnerStack account, simply sign in using your email and password. This saves you from creating a new account and streamlines the process significantly. Once you're logged into PartnerStack, it's time to complete your application for the GetResponse affiliate program. You'll be required to provide some necessary details to finish your application. Make sure to fill out all fields accurately, as precise information here can directly affect your approval process. This might include details about your promotional methods, experience, or anticipated audience. Remember, being thorough and clear in your responses can help streamline your approval and set you up for success. Now, this application process might take a little time, and you could also be asked to provide additional information if needed, so keep an eye on your email inbox for any communications from PartnerStack. Once you've submitted everything, you're done. The folks at GetResponse and PartnerStack will review your application. If approved, you'll receive an email letting you know you're ready to start earning commissions. It's exciting and can present a lucrative opportunity if you're dedicated to sharing and promoting GetResponse effectively. Hopefully, this guide helps you navigate the sign-up process for the GetResponse affiliate program with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you great success as an affiliate.